Okay, let's talk about financial aid. As you register to take the ACT and you're applying to college, you're also going to be talking about the FAFSA, the free application for federal student aid. Make sure you complete the FAFSA after October 1 on your senior year. Very important to do this as early as possible. For the parents now, you can use the prior year income tax for that form to make sure that you qualified and maximize your financial aid capabilities. Also, scholarships. The scholarships are free. Free money for the student. Mom and dad, I'm sure, will like that. For students, it's always hard to get going with, I need an essay, it has to be 500 words, how do I speak about myself? Being the father of 4 daughters, we have done this many times. An easy way is to start telling your story from your own point of view. What is your name? Where do you go to school? What have you done for the last 3-4 years? What kind of extracurricular activities have you done? How are you involved in the community? How are you giving back? You're asking people to give you money for college. What are you doing to help others yourself? All of this, we have several tips on our website, act.org/student. Come and visit and learn more.